Welcome to this basic Python tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the Python split and slicing functions. Let's have a quick look at a demo. On my website I have prepared a small Python script to demonstrate the split and the slicing functions. So let's go through this step by step. I just copy the first section, open a shell, and I will edit a Python script, just call it demo.py, and paste it into that script. Okay, so I'm going to save it, and I'm going to give execution rights to that script. Okay, let's take a look. So here I'm just defining a string that we will use to demonstrate the splitting and slicing functionality. For the first example, I will just print this string. So I'm going to run the script. And as you can see, it will just output the string that we have defined inside. So let's get back to the website. And the next step I will do is I will convert the string into a list. And for this, in Python, you just need to use the split function. So let's have a look at this. I'm going to save it and run it. And here you can see that this string is going to be converted into a list. Pretty easy. Next step, I want to do some operations on this list. So first, I want to have the last item on the list and print it. This I will do with referencing the list and adding those brackets with -1 inside. This will reference the last item of the list. Just save it and run. So as you can see here, this is my list and this is the last item, and this will be printed here. Okay, let's take a look at some more complex examples. If I want to, instead of the last item, want to show the first item, I can easily do this by referencing the list at position 0. Let's have a look at this. You can see the first item is this. And if I want to have a sub list of this list, then I can use this notation. Going to add this to the script, save it and run it. So as you can see, we are referencing the elements 3 to 5 actually. This is a small mistake here from the list. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Which will be printed here. So another example of slicing notation is this one. You can also count backwards. So if I want to have the last 3 items, I can use this notation here from -3 to the end. Save it and run it. So here you can see the last 3 items are Python, using, and is. Pretty easy. And so in this last example here, I have put the whole operations into one line. So as you can see here, I have my string, which is this, and then I split the string into a list. So this will be a list, and the next thing I will do is I will slice that list from position 27 to the end. So here I have a sub list of this, and then this join operation. So I'm joining all the elements of this list with white spaces together, will construct a new string again. So let's see what comes out of this. And here we can see the new string that is constructed in just one line of code. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter or visit my website on /4.net.